time check. It's 5:40 in the morning and I'm filling up on gas because I am going on a 350km road trip with my grandpa from QC to Daet, Bicol. It's gonna be a 9-hour drive, I believe, and this is my first time doing it. But yeah, let's hit the road. Out here at the old zigzag road at Atimonan, also known as Bitukang Manok, and we're just stopping by for a quick bathroom break because Tatay actually needs to go and use the restroom. I think we're almost halfway to Daet, but for now we're just gonna take a quick break, enjoy this view, and then we're gonna get back on the road. Just like that, we are here in Daet. We are outside Pat's house, and it's been a while since I've been here, so I want to see how the dogs would react when they see me, or if they would even react at all. I don't know. I want to see, so yeah. Kuya Hi. Saan yung mga asa? Okay naman. Hi, Budoy. Hello. Sub Sub.
Subi.
Hi, Budoy.
Laki na.
Sub Sub. Ba't nagpapapunta?
Magpapababy.
Sub Sub.
Grabe.
Sub Sub.
Grabe. Uy, amoy pa niya si Kuya.
Okay, let's do something fun with this. Okay, so inside this armrest, you're gonna see this USB port, and we're gonna plug this USB drive in, just like this, and then we're gonna press menu, which would take us to here. Then you're gonna go to customize settings, display setup, and then import wallpaper. Here you're gonna see all the files that you could use. So let's try this one first, and then it's gonna load the image, which is taking a while. After importing the image, it will ask you to save the photo, and so we're gonna hit save. Please select location to save the image. I have something on image 1, so I'll save it on image 2, and it's gonna start saving. And once it's done, you should be able to use it as a wallpaper. So this is a fun one. I saw this on one of the forums online and I decided to do one for my own. So let's import this image and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's the flux capacitor from Back to the Future. It kind of looks like the power monitor gauge on the SI models, but this one doesn't have it, so I made one that looks just like it. It doesn't work, it doesn't do anything, but it looks cool and it's a fun one. So I actually saw this on one of the forums, but that one was red and it doesn't match any of my gauge cluster lights, so I made one in blue and here it is. Yeah, this one right here is for all the guys that always has their fuel on low. This one matches my key tag right here, which I designed for Chris. And this one is the name of our crew, L6B6, because we always work on our cars on Jensen's house and the address is L6B6. Oh, and there's Chini. At this point, the summer heat is getting a little out of hand and it's starting to bug me. So, I decided to take my car to a friend's shop to have my windows tinted. I'm not really a fan of tinted windows, so I went with a clear ceramic tint from X Films. It's the perfect match for what I need. It has heat rejection properties while still maintaining that clean fishbowl look that I like. It had a slight hint of blue in it, which is one of my favorite colors. I also find the logos on the tint to be a little distracting when driving, so I had the guy remove those from me as well. Hey guys, right now we're here at Bagasbas Beach. We'll just hang out and talk about some stuff. So you guys are probably wondering, where did this Civic come from? What happened to the legacy? And where is my city? And to answer those questions, yes, I've sold the wagon, my dream car, the Subaru Legacy, and I absolutely miss it. The Legacy was a fantastic car, don't get me wrong. I love how it looks. It's got tons of space, and when you need it, the power is there. So why did I sell it? Well, that is because I needed something that I could drive all the way here. Yeah, Subarus are reliable, but they're not as common as Toyotas and Hondas here in the Philippines, and not everyone here knows how to work on them. The guys from SCP, or Subaru Club of the Philippines, they have a list of certain shops that they trust with their Subis, and they're mostly in Metro Manila. With that being said, I just didn't feel confident enough to take the Legacy on a 9-hour road trip alone, wondering if something will go wrong. So that is why I decided to sell it and get this car, which is the Honda Civic, because the gas prices here are pretty expensive right now. So having a 2.5 liter turbocharged car, it's a gas guzzler, so it's impractical. So that is why I decided to sell my Legacy and get a Honda Civic. And the Honda Civic is pretty big here in the Philippines, so wherever you go, there's always someone who knows how to work on them. So I'm more confident with this than the Legacy. Now let's talk about my Honda City Stitch. So I was on my way to a car meet, and when it broke down and it just wouldn't start, I had to be rescued by my dad, my friends, and my brother, which I'm really grateful for. Thanks guys. Basically there were a bunch of things that went wrong with that car, and I just didn't want to deal with it. So right now I'm just driving this Civic as my daily, as my only car. But I do have plans to bring my city back, probably by the end of the year, hopefully. Yeah. So why am I here in Bicol, and why did I decide to go on a 9-hour long road trip? my girlfriend actually lives here, and I try to visit her at least once a month, and I would just take the bus. But this time, I had to bring my car because of this. Because of this little girl. This here is Subi. I named her after the legacy, which is pretty obvious. Say hi, Subi. Hi. Yeah, we got her back in January, but she's been here all this time because I wanted her to have all her shots done before I bring her back with me in Manila. So
Doesn't do this to me.
So yeah.
He doesn't do this to me. He only does this because of this little girl.
Yeah, that's my baby. Yeah, so that is why I brought a car so I could take her home with me. And Uy, nice bike. And Pat is gonna be going with us, so that'll be fun.
You're Pat.
Your Pat.
Yeah, we're both Pat.
Yeah. Should have named her Pat as
I
well.
forgot to tell them we're both Pat.
They know.
Oh,
They've seen you.
Yeah, they've seen me, but I don't think they know my name.
Okay, she's Pat.
And he's Pat. And
And
together, we're Pat and Pat.
yeah, it's actually been more than a month since I've got here. I just
It's
haven't.
been more than a month.
Yeah, that's what I said.
And
I was just procrastinating with this video, so I'm filming this
just
literally the day before we have to leave. And yeah, this video's been too long, so I'm gonna have to end it here. We have somewhere else to go. And
Subi say arf.
yeah, she saw another dog. She saw another dog.
We have to work on that.
Yeah, you have to work on that, Subi. Hey. And yeah, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Subi appreciates you. She just doesn't show it, right? Yeah, she said yeah. So, thank you guys for watching.
I hope the audience.
Yeah, I hope the audio is good. Super noisy here. I tried using a microphone. So, yeah, we'll see. Thank you.